Hi, my name is Corey Biazzo, and I'm a practicing American civil litigation attorney, and you are watching Executive Coup. In today's episode, we're going to briefly discuss some of the legal issues surrounding President Trump's attempt to invoke the Alien Enemies Act, which is contained in 50 United States Code Chapter 3. On March 14, 2025, President Trump issued Proclamation number 10903, titled Invocation of the Alien Enemies Act regarding the invasion of the United States by Tren de Aragua. Briefly, the proclamation states that members of the Venezuelan gang unlawfully infiltrated the U.S. to conduct irregular warfare to further the Venezuelan dictator Nicolas Maduro's objective of destabilizing democratic nations in the Americas, including the United States. First, I want to say that's rich coming from this administration. Anyways, the 1798 statute states in part, wherever there is a declared war between the United States and any foreign nation or government, or any invasion or predatory incursion is perpetrated, attempted, or threatened against the territory of the United States by any foreign nation or government, and the President makes public proclamation of the event, all natives, citizens, denizens, or subjects of the hostile nation or government being of the age of 14 years and upward, who shall be within the United States and not actually naturalized, shall be liable to be apprehended, restrained, secured, and removed as alien enemies. Article 1, Section 8 of the U.S. Constitution delegates the power to declare war to Congress. At this time, there is neither a war declared by Congress, nor was there a war declared by Congress on or shortly before March 14, 2025, when President Trump issued the proclamation. In fact, the last time Congress declared a war was on June 4, 1942, and that war ended on September 2, 1945. Additionally, there is neither an invasion or predatory incursion occurring of the United States by a foreign nation or government at this time, nor was there on or shortly before March 14, 2025, when the proclamation was issued. In fact, the argument laid out in the proclamation that TDA was acting at the direction of the Maduro regime of Venezuela was undercut by President Trump's own intelligence officials, who stated in a memo released by the National Intelligence Council, quote, "While Venezuela's permissive environment enables TDA to operate, the Maduro regime probably does not have a policy of cooperating with TDA and is not directing TDA movement to and operations in the United States. Therefore, President Trump's invocation of the Alien Enemies Act for use in furthering his political objectives of mass deportation is clearly blatantly unlawful and will continue to be stopped in the courts as we have seen thus far. Keep following Executive Coup for further updates on this case and others related to the apparent executive coup attempt that is unfolding in the U.S. federal government at the direction of President Donald J. Trump. Thank you.